Margazhi month 24th day, Tiruppavi Pasaram 24. அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடி போற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாழ் திரள் போற்றி, பொன்றச் சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி, கன்று குணிலாய் எரிந்தாய் கடல் போற்றி, குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி, வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி, என்றென்று உன் சேவகமே ஏத்திப் பறைகொள்வான், இன்று யாம் வந்தோம் இறங்கேலோர் எம்பாவாய். So in this Pasuram, Andal is praising Krishna. So far, till the last Pasuram, she was waking him up. Now, she is asking, in the previous Pasuram, she asked him to get up, walk and sit on the throne and listen to us. Now, she is praising him because he walked and he sat on the throne. So she felt so great. At the same time, she felt that she made him walk. So she was not comfortable in that sense. So she was praising how he walked and he strained himself. So when he was in Vamana Avataram, he raised himself to Trivikrama, that is, he raised himself to sky and he measured the 2 feet. So at that time you strained your legs and there was a strain on your feet. Then when you were Rama, you walked all the way and you went to Sri Lanka, you killed Ravana, and when you were walking barefoot, you had lot of problems and your feet were very badly hurt. So and she is saying, you killed the enemy, you killed Ravana. So she is praising him. Then in the next one, Asuran called Chagadasuran, he was killed by you because you gave him one kick with your feet and you killed him. So you strained yourself, but you were successful in killing him. And next, there were 2 Asuras. One was Vatsasuran, the other one was Kapitasuran. Vatsasuran came in the form of calf. Kapitasuran came in the form of a tree. So Krishna, you took Vatsasuran in your hand and you just twirled him and you hit the tree. That is Kapitasuran and killed. So both the Asuras demons were killed by you, but it was a strain for your feet. So she is saying both the victory as well as how he strained himself. Then the next, you lifted the Govardhanagiri hill and protected all the people, all the living creatures, and you made them stand under that hill because you kept it as an umbrella for them. Because Indran was unhappy with you and he created a continuous rainfall, but you protected the people. So there is a victory for you. So she was explaining everything. Then the weapon what you have, veil. So that brought you lot of victory. So that she's praising that weapon, veil. And she says, you have done so much and you listen to the Bhaktas, devotees, and you undergone lot of physical suffering, but you were very successful. Now please look at us and listen to us and help us to get to your presence and get your darshan, and please be with us. We all like to spend time with you and have experience with your grace. So you please be with us, listen to us. So this is a request she made to him after praising him for what all happened so far in Rama Avatara and Krishna Avatara. Today's temple is Tirukandam. It is also known as Kadinagar. at Devaprayag. This place is located about 45 miles away from Rishikesh to Badrinath and about 1,700 feet above the sea level. So this is the first Divya Desham when we travel from Haridwar to Badrinath. This is Devaprayag. This is also called Tirukandam or Kadinagar. The speciality of this sthalam is the great rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet each other and they join and form Adi Ganga. And these two rivers are Piratis of the Moolavar in this temple, Neelamegam. Prayag means the place where two rivers mingle together, and these two are holy rivers. So this place got the name Devaprayag. Here we have darshan of Neelamega Perumal. In this thalam we find the pasurams of one of the Alvars, Periyalvar, are written on the board. Periyalvar is the only Alvar who has done Mangala Sasanams on this Perumal in 11 pasurams. In this thalam, Brahmadevar, King Dasharatha and Sri Rama did tapas. And we have the darshan of the idol of Raghunathji in this temple, which was installed by Sri Adi Shankara. Moreover of this kshetram, Neelamega Perumal is also known as Purushottaman. He is giving his darshan in Nindra Kolam, that is in standing posture, facing his Tirumugam, his face towards east direction. Bharadwaja Maharishi had the darshan of this Perumal here. Tayar of this temple is Pundarikavalli. Periyalvar was the only Alvar who did Mangala Sasanam on this sthalam, and he travelled all the way from Srivilliputtur to Kandigai, that is Himalayas. People say after he got his daughter married to Sri Ranganatha, he felt the vacuum. He could not bear the absence of his daughter Andal. So he travelled. He visited all the temples and he came all along here. So this is the background of why he left Srivilliputtur and he came here.